got a copy of the court order?
I do.
Thank you. So you were Doyle?
Yep.
Excellent. Thank you, sir. Yep. And these gentlemen have their tags also?
As far as what kind of tags they're carrying, I don't know.
Those are your rules.
There's the court order we have.
Yeah, but these are your rules.
Okay.
This is what we were. So who's in charge?
Well, I'm the land department part that's on this.
All right.
And Josh is the router.
Okay,
These
great.
guys can't help you at all.
Well, I don't care if they can help me, but they've got to have these ID tags on.
Come here, Josh. He's on the process form he's talking about on the bottom sheet. Talks about you have to have identification cards.
This is the communication from your attorney. We went to court on this.
Yeah.
And it says that all ACP representatives on your land as part of the survey.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna show you with a camera on.
The hell you're not. You're on my property.
Yeah.
You're trespassing. If you're not with ACP and abiding by the rules.
Yeah.
Well, let me see it then. Come on. Sir.
My only thing is this is a process. It doesn't mean...
I want all of them. Yeah. Every single one of you better have them.
Well, all I'm saying is this is the typical process we use. I don't know as far as that's court order we have to do this.
This is what your attorneys said you're going to do.
They hand this out as a process. This gets mailed to everyone saying this is typically what we do. It doesn't mean that that's the process we're doing everything with. So...
No, I should call the sheriff then, so that you guys are...
You can call the sheriff, that's perfectly fine.
In defiance of the agreement to the court order.
So you have that right to call the sheriff. I mean, that's all I can tell you.
I know that.
I mean, we have a court order saying we can be here. We have the proper stuff we have.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the same thing I presented to you that we have.
Your name, sir?
Yeah. Well, you don't need my name.
I don't need your name. You're on my property.
I know.
You guys are going to take my rights. You're going to do obscene things to my property. Yeah. And you don't want to tell me your name?
Yeah, no.
Okay, great.
You understand they have a right not to answer certain things with the camera on. I mean,
we don't.
I totally understand, but sir, we have a court order to be here.
Right. So I've got to go to each one and ask them for their tags. Okay. Sir. The agreement was that all people representing ACP, as outlined in these procedures, be wearing picture ID tags. Do you have one? Are you going to wear one? You're going to identify who you are? You know, man, this is going to be on YouTube. All you guys.
You can put that on YouTube. That's perfectly fine, but you can't interfere with people's surveying. We're doing the job we're supposed to do.
I'm not interfering. I'm asking you questions to make sure you're
halting process of what we're doing with survey. So that's perfectly fine. I totally understand. I'm the person you need to talk to. Okay, I'm part of the land department. I'm the person you need to talk to. These guys can't answer your questions.
Where are their ID tags?
He's already shown that he had one. I have one as well.
This guy?
I'm not in charge of these guys. These are not a part of my company. They're contracted people. Yes.
You're daisy chaining this down 5 ways. These people are not working for you?
They are working for us. All
if they're not involved in the survey, then they should leave the property.
They are involved with the survey.
Then where are their ID tags? Picture ID tags, sir. Why don't you call your people? Get them out here.
That's what I'm doing here.
Excellent. Do you all have your picture ID badges? May I see them? It says you're supposed to display them.
All right. Yes, sir.
No, okay. What do you mean not on camera?
I'll let them proceed.
You're on my property. I can take whatever pictures I want.
Okay.
You're going to defy your own legal structure. Amazing. Does Dominion follow any law?
You guys can proceed.
Proceed, yeah.
I vouch that they're all surveyors. I am approval to vouch that they're surveyors.
Bullshit.
That is, I understand your concern, your issue, but this is the
content we have. It says all of them. Your attorneys wrote this. It's on their letterhead.
This is not wrote by the attorneys right here. This right here is.
They sent it to me.
They send everything out when they send out to survey your property. They send those forms out. Yes.
So Dominion has no intention of following through on any of the guarantees they give people along the path of the pipeline.
Can't answer all that. I'm not going to answer a lot of questions on your camera.
You're not.
So nope, I'm not.
Well, you're on my property.
We have a court order to be on your property.
A little pushy, aren't we?
Yeah. Please don't interfere with the survey.
I'm not interfering. If you think I'm interfering, call the sheriff. And for the record, nobody seems to be wearing their picture ID badges as identified.
I've already showed you mine, sir.
Wearing. Display. Thank you. 1 out of 15 isn't too good. How do I know who these other people are?
I've told you who they are, sir.
Why should I trust you?
Because I have a court order in my hand stating that we can be here.
You can.
I understand, but they're with me.
But the conditions were that
I understand, sir. The conditions are, they're with me. I have a court order. I have presented my ID card to you.
it's disappointing, Deputy, but I don't know why you... If just asked to check their IDs, make sure they are who they are. Can't do that.
What do I need to make sure they are? I mean, they're obviously surveyors.
Well, I have the court order. I've already presented who I am. I've said that they're with me doing survey. I'm in the land department. They had come out with me or with another land agent who walks these guys with them.
Is there anybody here that's not supposed to or not authorized to be here?
All of them are authorized, either contractors or employees of Dominion.
Have you done background checks on them?
All people typically hired by Dominion go through background checks, yes.
Anything else?
Nope.
All right.
Can I ask a question about road access? Like, this is considered a township road, correct?
No, this is a private lane.
Okay. So what, as far as, I couldn't leave my car here to go with him. There's no way I could probably do that because it'd be considered a private lane, correct? So I have to, okay. That's what I want to make sure.
The VDOT state shop is right there. I'm sure they wouldn't have a problem with you parking in there.
Okay. Okay. That's what I want to make sure. So, okay. All right. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.